Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with the hard disk. You got a read-only error. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it one by one. After pasting list disk, you just need to find the disk you are having problem with. In my case, disk 1 is the problematic disk. You just need to check my video description for this command. Select a disk. You just need to change the number. If it is disk 0, you just need to change it guys. In my case, disk 1 is the problematic disk. That's why I'm not changing disk 1. After copying it, paste it. Now the disk 1 is selected guys. Now copy the attributes disk clear readonly. Copy and paste it. Disk attributes cleared successfully. Now you just need to open the disk management and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then we need to format this disk guys. So you need to make sure to take a backup of the disk files because this will completely delete all your data in that particular disk. After taking backup, you just need to copy and paste the last command. Diskpart succeed in cleaning the disk. After getting this message, close it off here and go to search menu and type disk management. Click on open the create and format hard disk, and now you can able to see the unallocated space over here. Right click on it and select new simple volume and select next. Now select next. You need to select the drive letter you want. After that, select next. Select the file system. Click on this drop down and select the NTFS and select next and select finish. Wait for it. After getting this message, now your disk is ready to use guys and your problem solved. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.